Query successful. Try again without apps. There isn't a new name for TD Bank in the way you might expect a complete rebrand. The primary retail banking operation in the United States is still known as TD Bank, N.A., often using the tagline, America's Most Convenient Bank. The bank's full name is the Toronto Dominion Bank, and its subsidiaries are collectively known as TD Bank Group. The TD itself is a product of a historical name change, but the name TD Bank remains the current, active consumer-facing name in the U.S. For decades, the name TD Bank has been a fixture in the financial landscape, particularly across the eastern United States. It's a name that conjures up images of late hours, accessible locations, and the iconic green logo. The company has a deep, complex history, and like many large financial institutions, it's the result of major mergers and acquisitions. That history is where a lot of the confusion about its name comes from. In the U.S., the bank that people knew as TD Bank North made a pivotal acquisition, purchasing the well-known Commerce Bank. This merger created a much larger, more expansive regional bank. At the time, there was speculation about what the new name would be. For a moment, the combined entity was going to be called TD Commerce Bank. However, legal challenges quickly put a stop to that idea. To unify the brand and simplify the message, the company ultimately chose a name that was concise, familiar, and forward-looking. They settled on simply TD Bank. So, if you're wondering what the new name of TD Bank is today, the simple answer is that the bank's official name for its U.S. retail operation remains TD Bank, N.A. The parent company continues to be the Toronto Dominion Bank. The TD itself is a historical abbreviation, standing for the Union of the Bank of Toronto and the Dominion Bank way back in 1955. The current name isn't a new change, but the final, consolidated brand that emerged after years of growth. It's a story of simplification, taking a handful of complex legacies and uniting them under the sleek, strong, and recognizable banner of TD Bank. It's a name that signifies a single, integrated institution, ready to serve customers with that commitment to convenience they've become famous for.